Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. As usual, I have a package with me which is from Toy Collectors India. Most of my imported mainlines and imported premium cars I purchased from them. Prices are slightly higher, but the quality and the service is really great from them. So these are imported mainlines. CCIs or professional guys. So this is the first imported casting. I actually wanted only the GTR, but I needed to pay the shipping charges, so I thought I will get one more car so that at least that is compensated somehow. So this is a TV series Batmobile. Let's have a close up. So this is how it looks, guys. From the back, this is how it looks from the front. So this is the car that I wanted. The card is slightly damaged here and even in the J hook, so it's most likely an 8 on 10 card or 7 on 10 card. So the car is McLaren F1 GTR. Just look at the close-up, guys. Isn't it the nicest McLaren F1? The color combination is good, the wheel color is good, the graphics is insane. There is an F1 in the front quarter panel, number 3 McLaren and Hot Wheels logo. Back detailing is not great, but the front is really nice. You can see the headlight details, McLaren logo. It's very small, can't make out. And front hood decals. Okay, that's about it, guys. So these two has been added to my collection. See, if it comes from country like Australia or US, you can see that guaranteed for life on the J hook. The J hook has a protector at the front. But in case of Chinese card, or if you get it from Indonesia or somewhere else, so it's most likely same as the Indian card. You see the protector for J-hook is here, and at the front you don't see that guaranteed for life. I think this card looks the great because of these details. Okay guys, that's it for today. Please do follow and subscribe so that I can post more content online. Most of you guys are asking me, where do I get good main lines? Okay, so nowadays the craze is too much that you cannot find good main lines at once. Even I used to visit lot of stores, and 1 in 10 times I was able to get good main lines. So it's always that either you have to spend lot of time going to the stores, looking for Hot Wheels, checking with the owner, when will the new case arrive, all of those details. So one more hint I can give you is, when you see in Instagram that a new case has been launched, that's the time you start visiting the store. You have to visit frequently, every day, until you get those cars. So that's the easiest way. Now you all know that A case has been launched. Once you see B case has been launched, somebody will do a reel or some kind of thing. So you have to follow some influencers on Instagram or YouTube or wherever it is. So you got to know that, okay, now the Hot Wheels has launched. You go to stores and there is a high chance that you can find some good main lines. Otherwise, you have to be a Batman. I mean, you have to be rich, okay? So in that case, you can just buy from some sellers who sell it for higher prices than usual, maybe like 300 rupees, 350 rupees, like that. But do avoid scalpers who scalp all of the beautiful main lines and try to sell you for 600, 650, 700 rupees for a freshly launched case. Okay? You need to control your fear of missing out. Don't buy from scalpers. If the prices are slightly higher, like 300 rupees, I'm still not asking you to guys buy from them. But it is what it is. You cannot find a good main lines. So what I do is, if I find a seller who has a fresh case, I send him the list. I need these cars, probably like 10 to 15 cars, sometimes 20 cars I need from a single case. If he says I have every car and the price is reasonable, then I buy from him. So all of this You have to do it, guys. So I was not able to control fear of missing out. I did lot of mistakes in the past. Now I am learning to spend my money well. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Until then, ciao.